guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Aunt Rufiana's Roofie Remedy. If you don't know what that is, that means that you've never seen Jamal the Creative skit, so watch this. Can I get you something to drink?
Nah, I'm good.
I can make you a Roofie Remedy.
Make me a what?
A Roofie Remedy. It comes from my aunt. It's a really good drink she makes. She concocts it up. It comes from her name, Rufia. I'll make you one.
You know what? Sure, I'll take it. Thank you. You okay?
First, you're gonna need 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of Everclear, 1 ounce of Brandy, and 1.5 ounces of Peach Schnapps. Ice, a shaker, and a gentleman's glass. So I made this drink for the crew one day before we had to film, and let's just say somebody, not me, couldn't finish filming because they were wasted. And while I got you guys here, I just want to remind you to hit the subscribe button to the channel, like this video, and comment and let me know what you think. Now, mix all of the ingredients together in a shaker and shake. And there you have it, guys. Aunt Rufiana's Roofie Remedy. Jamal!
Yeah?
Try this.
Woo! That's a good idea.
Jamal. Oh shit. Aunt Roofie recipe be him.